Wallahi, we don't realize the importance of halal food, halal income. People complain all the time. Why isn't my dua being answered? Oh, I feel like Allah doesn't like me. No, it's really simple why your dua is not being answered. The hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, that a man will be ash'atha aghbar. A person will be covered completely in dust, disheveled, look as miserable as you can imagine. You think this poor guy, Allah will definitely answer his du'as. And then he will raise his hands to the heavens and he will make dua to Allah. Allah give me, Allah give me, Allah give me. And Allah will not answer his dua. Why not? فَأَيْنَ يُسْتَجَابُ لَهُ? How can Allah accept his dua? When this person, his food is from haram, his drink is from haram, his income is from haram, his entire body was sourced through haram. Then in what world will Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept his dua? The importance of eating halal, the importance of earning halal. Wallah, if you feel like that, you feel like I have a lot, but I just feel like it, I barely cover my expenses. You feel like you have a lot, but it's just never enough. You feel like you have a lot of food, you're always hungry. You have a lot of, you have a lot of income, and yet for some reason at the end of the month you're barely saving anything. You wonder why? The answer is really simple. There's no barakah. Why is there no barakah? Is what we are consuming halal. What we are putting into our bodies halal. You should see how considerate people are when it comes to their allergies. Somebody has a peanut allergy, that person will ensure, they will ask the waiter and the waiter's waiter and the waiter's dad, does this have anything related to peanuts inside of this food? Because I can't consume it. If I eat it, I will go into anaphylactic shock and I will die. Right? That person is so worried about consuming even the smallest amount of peanut. Smallest amount. Because they're afraid of what will happen to their life. Believers, on the other hand, consume haram by the gallons on a daily basis with no care or concern for their hereafter.